Microsoft Intune is a cloud-based service in Microsoft Endpoint Manager for managing mobile devices and applications. It allows IT administrators to manage, secure, and enforce policies on corporate and personal devices. Intune ensures only compliant devices access corporate resources, reducing security risks. Intune provides centralized management, security compliance, flexibility, and seamless integration with Microsoft services. Log in to Microsoft Endpoint Manager Admin Center at endpoint.microsoft.com with your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard sections: devices, apps, users, and reports. Unified Endpoint Management, UEM, allows centralized administration of multiple device types and operating systems. Set up Intune for device enrollment by configuring enrollment restrictions based on your organization's needs. Create compliance policies by defining settings like password requirements and encryption. Intune enables advanced security controls like conditional access to restrict access based on compliance. Manage all devices and applications through a single portal, reducing administrative burden. Set up conditional access policies to define conditions for device compliance and access. Mobile Device Management, MDM, allows comprehensive management of mobile devices and securing data. Create device profiles by selecting the platform and defining settings for device management. Mobile Application Management, MAM, protects organizational data within mobile apps for authorized users. Go to Apps, App Protection Policies, Create Policy. Choose the platform and define policies like data encryption. Assign the policy to user groups. Navigate to Apps, All Apps, Add. Select the app type and configure deployment settings. Compliance policies define device security requirements. Conditional access determines access rights based on compliance status. Go to Devices, Compliance Policies, Create Policy. Select the platform and configure compliance settings. Set conditions like requiring MFA and assign to applications or users. Verify licensing requirements in Azure Active Directory licenses. Check assigned licenses for users and confirm they have Intune Standalone, EMS, or Microsoft 365 licenses. Ensure you have purchased sufficient Intune, EMS, or Microsoft 365 licenses. Verify that devices meet hardware and OS requirements. Ensure network configuration allows device enrollment and management traffic. You need global or Intune-specific administrative rights.